Welcome back to the Smart Garden at Romian House. Now today we're going to fix a couple of issues. The other day I accidentally left this shovel out on the ground and was then away for a couple of weeks. As you can see, the termites absolutely destroyed the wooden handle so fast. So to avoid the problems of accidentally leaving tools out, we're going to put together a rather nifty tool rack made from recycled wood and custom 3D printed clips. Now it'd be really lovely if all tools had the same diameter handles, but unfortunately they all appear to be very different. So the first step was to accurately measure the diameter of each handle. Now I didn't actually notice this little fella until I was editing the video, but this is a tiny yellow jumping spider that was jumping onto my hands a bit later in the day. I'll add a little video at the end to show him playing around with me. After accurately measuring each tool and handle, it was then a simple case of jumping into Fusion 360 and modeling some clips. The trick here is to make the narrower entrance to the clip a couple of mils smaller than the actual diameter of the tool, so that when pushed into the clip it grips really well. To model this, the trick I use is to line draw the actual shape I need from a top-down view and then extrude the shape to make it three-dimensional. It takes only a few minutes to do this sort of design work in Fusion 360. If you don't have Fusion 360, there are many other free options such as Tinkercad or Blender, which are more than capable of doing this kind of simple design work. After designing and then printing the clips on my trusty Prusa Mark III, it was then the usual process of selecting a suitable piece of scrap wood from my recycled supply, cutting it to length, denailing and cleaning it up. In order to mount the wood on the wall, I first drilled 4 mounting holes in the wooden plank. Mounting the plank onto the wall was a bit tricky, as trying to hold all the parts, drill and screw at once is just a bit difficult. To make this easier, I first drilled a single hole in the middle and screwed the plank to this. This would then mean that I could level the plank, move it around to where it needed to go, and drill the other holes without having to hold it in place. Seemed to work okay. And there we are, all finished. Here is the final result. It's easy to spot. If there's an empty space, it means I've left a tool somewhere I shouldn't have, and it keeps everything tidy and out of the way. If you enjoyed the video, please do leave a thumbs up. Also, just a very polite ask, over 97% of viewers are not subscribed to the channel. So if you did enjoy the video, please do consider hitting that subscriber button. Many thanks for watching the video and hope you found it of value. At the start of the video I mentioned leaving some more footage of our very tiny yellow little jumping spider friend. So as promised, I'll leave you with some of that footage. Take care guys.